Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 24. The given graph shows the species area relationship. Answer the following questions as directed. First of all, have a look at the graph. Species richness and area. Log scale. Name the naturalist who studied the kind of relationship shown in the graph and write the observations made by him. क्या क्या देखा होगा? अलेक्जेंडर वॉन हम्बोल्ट ने स्टडी किया था रिलेशनशिप जो शो किया गया है इन ग्राफ. दिस क्या देखा उन्होंने? ही ऑब्जर्व द इंक्रीजिंग स्पीशीज रिचनेस विद इन एन एक्सप्लोर्ड एरिया बट ओनली अप टू अ लिमिट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट द सिचुएशंस एज डिस्कवर्ड बाय द ecologies when the value of z, that is slope of the line, lies between 0.1 and 0.2 and 0.6 and 1.2. What does z stand for? Z lies between 0.1 to 0.2. Area is small to normal. 0.0 to 1.2. Area is very large. Z in the slope line क्या बताता है? Regression coefficient. Next question is, what would the slope of the line be become steeper? When would the when area is very large, जब area ज़्यादा होता है like continents, then slope of line B will become steeper. This was question number 24.